Managing construction projects requires precision, organization, and real time insights to keep everything on track. Sage Construction Management is a powerful software solution that helps construction professionals streamline project planning, financial management, job costing, and collaboration. Whether you're a general contractor, subcontractor, or project manager, Sage provides the tools needed to stay on schedule, within budget, and compliant with industry regulations. With its user friendly interface and cloud based capabilities, Sage enables teams to access project data from anywhere, collaborate in real time, and manage resources effectively. This video will guide you through the core features of Sage Construction Management, how they can enhance your workflow, and why this platform is an excellent choice for optimizing construction operations, cost control, and job site efficiency. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the project management and scheduling. Sage provides real time project tracking and scheduling tools that allow teams to manage deadlines, assign tasks, and track progress efficiently. The system integrates with Gantt charts and timeline views to give a clear picture of how tasks and milestones align throughout the project. This ensures better organization and reduces project delays by keeping every stakeholder informed. Another key feature is the financial and job cost management. One of Sage's most powerful feature is its financial tracking and job costing tools. It enables contractors to budget, forecast costs, track expenses, and generate accurate reports for better decision making. This helps construction companies stay profitable by identifying cost overruns early and optimizing resource allocation. Another key feature is the document and compliance management. Sage allows teams to store, manage, and share essential construction documents, including contracts, blueprints, permits, and compliance certificates. It ensures that all necessary documentation is easily accessible and up to date. This reduces paperwork, minimizes compliance risks, and enhances team collaboration by keeping everything in one place. Another key feature is the subcontractor and vendor management. Managing multiple subcontractors and vendors can be complex. Sage simplifies this by providing tools to track contractor performance, manage contracts, and process payments efficiently. This improves accountability, ensures smooth vendor relationships, and reduces administrative workload. Another key feature is the integration with accounting and payroll. Sage seamlessly integrates with popular accounting and payroll systems to automate payments, track employee wages, and manage financial reports with ease. This feature is particularly beneficial for companies managing large construction teams. This saves time, reduces manual data entry errors, and ensures payroll accuracy. Another key feature is the cloud based access and mobile compatibility. With cloud based access and mobile functionality, teams can update project details, track job progress, and review financial data from anywhere. This is especially useful for construction professionals who are constantly on the move. This enhances flexibility and real-time decision-making by providing access to critical project data anytime, anywhere. So why is Sage Construction Management a great choice? Sage Construction Management is trusted by construction companies worldwide because of its comprehensive set of features, reliability, and scalability. It is designed specifically for the construction industry, meaning it understands the unique challenges of managing projects, finances, and resources effectively. Unlike generic project management software, Sage provides specialized tools for job costing, compliance tracking, and subcontractor management, making it an all in one solution for construction professionals. Its seamless integration with accounting software and cloud capabilities make it a future-proof option that supports business growth and operational efficiency. Moreover, Sage's robust reporting and analytics tools empower businesses to gain valuable insights, forecast costs, and improve overall project execution. So, whether you're a small contractor or a large construction firm, Sage adapts to your needs and help you streamline your operations for better productivity and profitability. So basically, in today's fast-paced construction industry, having a powerful and efficient management tool is essential for staying competitive and ensuring project success. Sage Construction Management simplifies project scheduling, financial tracking, compliance management, and team collaboration, making it a valuable asset for any construction business. By leveraging Sage's real time tracking, automation, and mobile access, companies can reduce inefficiencies, cut costs, and deliver projects on time and within budget. If you're looking for a reliable, feature rich solution to manage your construction projects, Sage Construction Management is an excellent choice. So, whether you are new to Sage or looking to maximize its capabilities, integrating it into your workflow will enhance productivity and streamline project execution. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.